the word Dravida. Dravida is a Sanskrit word that refers to the southern part of India, right? However, Caldwell, who was a missionary, he proposed the English word called Dravidian, and he made that into a racial category. Nowhere in India we had Dravida as a racial category. Kumarila Bhatta, he talks about it in Tantra Vartika, and you have got Adi Shankara who says that I'm a Dravida Shishu. You got Varamira who's talking about Dravida as a region where the people are living over there. So we have always known Dravida as a geographical identifier, not a racial identifier. However, the mischief was done by the British, the missionaries, who made Dravidian into a racial category. Similarly, in India, we got something called Arya. Arya is a noble person, somebody who's a dharmic person, and so on. We call such a person as an Arya. For example, Dushasana is called an Anarya because of his role in disrobing Draupadi. So we call him Anarya because he did not behave nobly. We never known anything called Aryans. Aryans was once again made as a racial category by the British who wanted to do certain racial theories in India and so on. So you have to understand right here. In India, we never had anything called Aryan or Dravidian. These are categories manufactured by the British using discredited racial theories.